In some circumstances, your company may want to change one or more of its brands. This is not an ordinary exercise, because the strength of a trademark is its longevity. Therefore, there must be excellent reasons for replacing one trademark with another. Rebranding is a science in itself. Several elements must be considered, analyzed, and taken into account. These include, in particular, the perception of your customers, the meaning of the new trademark in its original language, if any, and in any foreign language, the availability of the domain name, the link between the old and new trademark, the costs associated with rebranding. A company name is often the name of its main brand. Therefore, the change of both at the same time must be carefully planned. Finally, here are 3 points you should remember. Point 1. On December 29, 1997, Microsoft acquired the Hotmail brand and website for $450 million. Renamed MSN Hotmail, the brand changed again to Windows Live Hotmail. In 2013, it finally became Outlook. Point 2. History contains several examples of brand change. Datsun, Nissan. Il Giornale, Coffee Company, Starbucks. Peter's Super Submarines, Subway. Confinity, PayPal. Marufuku, Nintendo. Software Development Labs, Oracle. Peekaboo, Snapchat. Point 3. Some company logos have been around for a long time. They have evolved over the years, but their new version often retains features of the first one. This is the case for the following companies, with the dates of the appearance of their first logo. Deere, 1876. Coca-Cola, 1886. Johnson & Johnson, 1886. Union Pacific, 1888. Prudential, 1896. Campbell Soup, 1898. General Electric, 1900. Goodyear, 1901. Sherwin-Williams, 1905. And DuPont, 1907.